Organize information clearly by incorporating tables into your Canva designs. Tables allow displaying data in neat rows and columns, making content scannable. Whether building a pricing sheet, event agenda, product comparison, or other grids, tables keep things structured. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add table in Canva. To add table in Canva design, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on to Tables. Then, click on See All. This will open various table templates you can choose from. Hover over a table template you like and click to Insert. This will add the table to your design area. To customize the table, click anywhere on the table. This will make resizing handles and column row controls visible. To add or delete columns, click the plus icon and click on Delete button on the top area above the table to delete row or column. Do the same on the left side to add, delete rows. Adjust column width or row height manually by clicking and dragging the lines between columns' rows. Add a border. Change border width. Color etc. from the right sidebar. Click on the border icon on the top left side. Input and format text inside table cells. Move or delete cells if needed. Click outside the table to deselect it. Resize or reposition the full table if required. With these steps, adding a polished table to communicate data visually takes just minutes in Canva.